Right guys, we got another Shieldon to look at here. I like my Shieldon knives. They all come, all my folding knives from Shieldon, all come in the same pouch. A Velcro fastening pouch. It has a press stud on the belt loop. Nice wide belt loop for big belts. Handy, it'll fit onto your rucksack or anywhere you want to clip the thing. I like them just for storing my knives in. You know, they're handy for that. Anyway, here's the Colibri. I hope I'm saying that properly. Beautifully scented blade, very nice. And this one's a front flipper. I don't have many front flippers. Look at this milled titanium clip. That's a beautiful made clip there. And look how deep carry that's going to be. That's got to be the deepest carry clip on the market. It's the deepest one I've seen. Look at it, doesn't have much real estate here to hold on to. We've got a single T8 screw there. And we got a single T8 screw here, which is on the back of the captive Shieldon pivot. I love the Shieldon pivots captive, so it doesn't spin as you're tightening up. Yeah, I don't have many front flippers. This one, I've grown to love it. It comes out so fast, this thing. Really does. We've got the jimping all the way down here. The finger chawl bit here. Makes for a comfortable little knife. I've got extra large hands, and this little blade really sits in my hands real nice. We've got a big flat grind. It's on 154 cm. Good quality stainless steel. Look at that, that's super pokey. We've got that swedge going down the blade and just a nice big flat grind. And there's the guy who created this one. He's a Ukrainian guy, as I guess the blue and yellow might be something to do with that. That's a Ukrainian flag, I believe. Yeah, this guy is called Max TKACHUK, something like that. But there's his logo there, with his skull and crossbones. I like his logo, it's pretty neat. There it is there. Oop, I poked myself with it. The old pokey. And it's got Colibri written on here as well. Really small, minimum stuff on the blade. I like the release here. It's a liner lock, and that liner lock release is nice, polished, easy to access. I've got big thumbs and I can access that really very nice. And it's droppy shut out the box. Super fast. It's faster than my autos. We got a deep choil here. It's like not quite big enough for a finger choil, but I can. Bear in mind I've got XL hands too. I can hold it there. So I can choke up on it using the ridges here. I can choke up on that really nicely. And then the hammer grip, you know, it's a stabby little knife. Just a cool little knife. I didn't think I would like it as much as I actually do. And it runs on ceramic bearings, really good quality bearings. Let's get into it and see what makes this knife tick. Let's have a go and get into this thing. Alright, weight 2.4 ounces. Alright, let's take off this side first. I've not been into this knife, so we'll see what we see. Like I said, T8, and the pivot T8. Alright, so it what did have some Loctite of some sort on it. One of the bearings dropped out, but we can see they're quality little bearings there. Brass or bronze bushing with ceramic bearings. Very nice. Right, there's our captive pivot screw. Here's a stainless steel liner. Little spacer, barrel spacer. G10 spacer. Alright, and that's there's a lock and pin there. See how that works. Yeah. So that's it, that's all that's in there. You see the titanium clip is kept on by that screw there. I thought it was just going to be the top screw, but no, it isn't. It's held on by the top screw and that screw there. I'm not going to take that off. Alright, let's get it back together. Alright, there we go, we got it back together. Pretty neat little knife. I like it a lot more than I thought I was going to. Yeah. Links down below. Direct links to Shieldon's website. They do sell them on Amazon also, but you'll get a better deal on the website. Use the 10% off coupon. That's there as well, and save yourself a few bucks. And they do ship worldwide, at least at the time of putting this video up. Alright, cool little knife, I like it. Super fast, super pokey. super cool. Alright, thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you later.